We are a fifth generation family business, and we make solid English oak furniture, and every piece that we make has a handcrafted mouse on it. Myself and my father go to these estates up and down the country, and we select the wood that we want to buy. So our techniques haven't changed much over the years. We still use the hand tools, and everything is hand assembled and finished on the shop floor here. In an age of modern technology, people are wanting things that are made by hands, and they're appreciating it a lot more. My inspiration comes from a lot of places, mainly sort of nature, the surroundings that I'm in. I'm in a national park, so it's great. Architecture as well, and other artisans that make furniture, glassware, leatherware. I can get inspiration from all sorts of places.
LOEWE.